And as you were talking about statistics on the S&P and the weighting of 35% within what, 10 companies, 20% within 3, going back over history, I believe you can find these patterns where certain industries explode. Prior to the internet world explosion in the 90s, what were those industries? Was it oil and gas? Was it consumer staples, consumer discretionary? And when you see that pile up into one sector, it's a telling indicator of what is the institutional money is piling into and pushing higher. And then you follow the news, especially today, in compare way different than it was, say, pre-internet. Now the internet is pushing these numbers, CNBC, Fox Business, what have you. And I think this is where you start to look at this and go, okay, you got a big push since the bottom of 22 into this into tech, but really into this micro sector of semiconductors.